Hey guys, I'm Kerry. In this video, you'll be learning about subject-verb agreement with the focus being on plural nouns. Some nouns that are plural in form take singular verbs. Rule number 1. The following nouns take singular verbs. For example, linguistics is the science of language. Linguistics is a singular subject, therefore it takes the singular verb is. Another example, measles is a contagious disease. Measles, a singular subject, takes the singular verb is. Another example, the news was disappointing. News, a singular subject, takes the singular verb was. Another example, has mathematics always been your best subject? Mathematics, a singular subject, takes the singular verb phrase has been. Rule number 2. Many nouns ending in "ix", such as acoustics, athletics, ethics, politics, statistics, and tactics, may be singular or plural depending on how they are used. Generally, such a noun takes a singular verb when the noun names a science, system, or skill. The noun takes a plural verb when the noun names qualities, activities, or individual items. For example, acoustics deals with the transmission of sound. Acoustics refers to science, and for that reason, acoustics is a singular subject and therefore takes the singular verb deals. However, in this sentence, the acoustics in the new auditorium are excellent. In this context, the subject acoustics refers to qualities, and for that reason, it is a plural subject and therefore takes the plural verb are. Rule number 3. Some nouns that are plural in form but that refer to single items take plural verbs. For example, the following nouns take singular verbs. Are the scissors sharp enough? Though scissors is a single item, it is plural in form, and for that reason, it takes the plural verb are. Another example, the pliers seem to be missing. Although pliers is a single item, it is plural in form, and for that reason, it takes the plural verb seem. Another example, your khaki slacks are in the laundry. Although slacks is a single item, it is plural in form, and for that reason, it takes the plural verb are. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check out my other cool videos. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay grammarous. Bye, bye, bye.